Welcome to our special Valentine's Day dinner. Are you ready to surprise your partner with an unforgettable dinner? We all know that the way to the heart is through the stomach, and today, we're going to journey down that delicious path together. We're about to unlock the secrets of a romantic meal, revealing surprise ingredients that will transform your Valentine's dinner from ordinary to extraordinary. Prepare to create a magical culinary experience that will leave your loved ones spellbound. So grab your aprons and cooking utensils, let's get cooking. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk ambience. Setting the mood for an intimate dinner is just as crucial as the culinary delights you're preparing. Think of it as the stage for your gastronomic performance. Dim lighting, for instance, can create a cozy, intimate atmosphere that's perfect for a romantic evening. It softens the surroundings and casts a warm, inviting glow. Next, consider candles. They not only provide illumination, but also add a touch of romance with their flickering flames. The scent of your chosen candles can further enhance the ambience. Opt for something subtle, like vanilla or lavender, to create a soothing atmosphere. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of rose petals. Sprinkle them around your dining area or create a path leading to the table. It's a classic gesture that never fails to elicit a smile. Remember, the mood you set is just as important as the food you cook. Let's start with an appetizer. We're making a classic bruschetta. Now, bruschetta is a delightful Italian starter that's made with fresh, simple ingredients. But we're going to add a little twist to this classic. Instead of using regular tomatoes, we're going to use sun-dried tomatoes. Sun-dried tomatoes have a concentrated, robust flavor that's going to take our bruschetta to another level. Here's where things get even more exciting. We're going to soak these sun-dried tomatoes in a blend of balsamic vinegar and a hint of truffle oil. Balsamic vinegar is known for its sweet, slightly tangy flavor, and it beautifully complements the rich, savory taste of the sun-dried tomatoes. And let's not forget the truffle oil. Truffle oil is a gourmet ingredient that's sure to make your dinner feel like a five-star restaurant experience. It has a unique, earthy aroma that pairs wonderfully with the tomatoes. Now, let's get to the preparation. We're going to chop these soaked tomatoes, mix them with fresh basil, a drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Then heap this mixture onto slices of toasted bread. You can use any bread you like, but a crusty Italian baguette works particularly well. And there you have it. A classic bruschetta with a twist. This will add a deep, rich flavor that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. For the main course, we're preparing a creamy mushroom risotto, a classic Italian dish that's a perfect blend of comfort and elegance. But we're not sticking to the traditional recipe. We're adding a couple of surprise secret ingredients that will take this dish to a new level. The first secret ingredient we're adding is a splash of champagne instead of the usual white wine. Champagne, with its delicate bubbles and subtle sweetness, adds a touch of sophistication to the risotto. It not only enhances the flavors but also adds an unexpected twist that's sure to impress your sweetheart. When you're adding the champagne, make sure to let it simmer for a couple of minutes. This allows the alcohol to evaporate, leaving behind a rich and complex flavor that's truly irresistible. Moving on to the second secret ingredient, a pinch of saffron. Saffron, often referred to as the golden spice, is derived from the flower of Crocus sativus. It's one of the most precious spices in the world, renowned for its intense flavor and vibrant color. Adding saffron to the risotto gives it a luxurious golden hue and a unique aroma that's absolutely enchanting. It's a spice that's been loved and cherished for thousands of years, not just for its flavor, but also for its ability to transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. When cooking the risotto, remember it's all about patience. You'll need to gradually add warm broth to the rice, stirring constantly until the liquid is absorbed before adding more. This process allows the rice to release its starch, resulting in a creamy, velvety risotto. Once the risotto is cooked to perfection, it's time to add the mushrooms. You can use any type of mushrooms you like, but for a truly decadent treat, I recommend a mix of porcini and cremini mushrooms. They have a rich, earthy flavor that pairs beautifully with the creaminess of the risotto. Finish off the risotto with a generous sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. The cheese adds a wonderful savory note that perfectly balances the sweetness of the champagne and the earthiness of the mushrooms. And there you have it, a creamy mushroom risotto with a splash of champagne and a pinch of saffron. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly romantic. It's the kind of dish that makes you want to slow down and savor each and every bite. Remember, cooking is not just about following a recipe. It's about adding your own personal touch, your love, and your care to the food. And that's what makes a meal truly special. So go ahead and try this creamy mushroom risotto for your Valentine's dinner. It's a dish that's sure to impress. A dish that's sure to make your evening truly magical. This will give a luxurious color and a unique aroma that's absolutely enchanting. No dinner is complete without a salad. You might think salads are all about lettuce and tomatoes, but we're about to take it up a notch. We're making a simple arugula and spinach salad, but we're adding a twist to make it extra special. Our third secret ingredient is pomegranate seeds. These tiny jewels not only add a pop of color, but also bring a sweet and tangy flavor that's truly delightful. But we're not stopping there. We're also making a homemade dressing. And here's the secret, we're adding a dash of lavender honey. This isn't your average honey, it's subtly floral, wonderfully aromatic, and adds a unique sweetness to our dressing. Just drizzle this over your salad, toss gently, and there you have it. A salad that's refreshing, slightly exotic, and packed with surprises. This combination creates a refreshing and slightly exotic flavor profile. And now, the grand finale dessert. We're making chocolate fondue. This is where our fourth secret ingredient comes into play. You might be thinking, chocolate is chocolate, right? Well, not quite. For this fondue, we're going to use a premium chocolate, but with a little twist. We're looking for a chocolate that carries a hint of chili. Yes, you heard it right, chili. This might sound a bit unusual, but trust me, it's a game changer. The chili adds a surprising depth to the chocolate, creating a complex flavor profile that's both rich and intriguing. The slight heat from the chili beautifully balances the sweetness of the chocolate, creating a tantalizing dance of flavors on your palate. Now, let's get to the preparation. Begin by breaking the chocolate into small pieces. Then, in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water, slowly melt the chocolate, stirring it gently. Once it is silky and smooth, stir in the chili. The key here is balance. You don't want to overpower the chocolate, just add enough chili to give it a gentle kick. Finally, transfer the molten chocolate into a fondue pot and keep it warm. You can serve this with an array of dippables, strawberries, bananas, marshmallows, or even chunks of cake. The possibilities are endless. The subtle heat is surprisingly seductive and complements the sweetness of the chocolate perfectly. To accompany our meal, let's prepare a special cocktail. A classic gin and tonic is always a good choice, but we're about to elevate it to a whole new level. Our final secret ingredient of the night is elderflower cordial. This sweet floral liqueur adds a unique twist to the traditional gin and tonic, creating a harmonious blend of flavors that's both refreshing and sophisticated. But we're not stopping there. To make this cocktail truly shine, we're adding a sprinkle of edible gold dust. It's a whimsical touch that adds an element of surprise and delight. As you stir the gold dust into your cocktail, watch as it dances and swirls, transforming your drink into a sparkling spectacle. It's a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. This drink is not only delicious but also visually stunning. And there you have it, a Valentine's dinner that's sure to impress. We've shared some surprising secret ingredients: sun-dried tomatoes, champagne, saffron, pomegranate seeds, lavender honey, and chili-infused chocolate, all of which can elevate your meal to a whole new level of sophistication and enchantment. But remember, the most important ingredient of all is the love and thought you put into preparing this special dinner. Here's to creating unforgettable memories with your loved ones. Happy Valentine's Day, and enjoy your magical evening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your Valentine's dinner stories in the comments below.